was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin. Out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Gravel beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Easy on our tiptoes, under Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand.
Much better. Got that all
Reaching
cleaned
for
up.
the grand.
And yeah, that looks like the same as before, but it's not. That's a whole new set of dishes. And there's still some in the sink. Yeah, I hadn't done the dishes for days. So I'm gonna let them soak, yeah. And I'll work on it some more later. But I'm going to end this video. That is it for today. I gotta put away the vacuum. Oh, yeah. Almost forgot. Still have laundry to do. All right, I'm gonna take a break and maybe take a nap, and then I can do the laundry while watching TV tonight. Yep, all right guys, that's it for this video. Not bad, making progress still. Until next time guys, enjoy your day. Okay guys, let me have a little conversation with you. Here it is the next day. Yeah, not having a good day, and the reason I'm filming this is to show you. I just don't want anyone to think that I got it all together now, or I'm getting it all together now, or I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I know there is people out there that are struggling like me, and I know that some of you, and I appreciate everyone, and you guys have been wonderful and been giving great comments and encouraging me and also saying I'm inspiring, but I don't want to mislead you or make anyone else feel bad, because they're still struggling and I'm still struggling. So, did good yesterday, not doing so good today. Actually, wasn't doing too bad, and then I had a phone call that I had to make, and it was like an hour-long phone call with some medical concerns, my dad and everything. Anyway, that threw my anxiety through the roof, and all I want to do is lay in bed and do nothing. So, still having setbacks. I just want to show you that what you're seeing on YouTube is just a snippet of my day or my life. And I'm not even having like good days. I'm having good hours. Yeah. So I don't know. I just wanted to share that with you. Everyone has been wonderful over these last, it's been 7 months now. Laundry's still sitting on the floor there. I was going to finish that today, and that didn't happen. So, it's going to still take me a while. I think my depression has pretty much subsided. I'm just having some anxiety, and energy level is not where it used to be. Anyway, I just wanted to share that little bit with you at the end of this video. And I appreciate you guys so much. You are wonderful. You're encouraging. And I'll see you on another day.